Matrix introduction. Matrix introduction. Matrix algebra has at least two advantages. First, reduce completed system of equation to simple expression. Number two, adapter to systematic method of mathematical treatment and well suited to computers. Definition: a matrix is a set or group of numbers arranged in a square or rectangular array enclosed by two brackets like this. Matrix properties. Number 1. Properties number 1. A specified number of row and specified number of column. Number 2. Two number of row into column describe the dimension or size of the matrix. Example: 3 by 3, 2 into 4, 1 by 2. A matrix is denoted by bold capital letter and the element within the matrix are denoted by lowercase letter. Matrix A with Aij. I goes from 1 to n, j goes to 1 to n. Types of matrix. Number 1. Column matrix or vector. Number 1. The number of row may be integral by number of column is always 1. Row of matrix or vector. Any number or column but only one row. Rectangular matrix contain more than one element and number of row is not equal to the number of columns. M not equal to n. Square matrix. The number of row is equal to the number of column. A square matrix A has been M into n. The principal or main diagonal of square matrix is composed of all elements Aij from which I equal to j. Diagonal matrix. A square matrix where all elements are 0 except those on main diagonal. Example: Aij equal to 0 where for all I not equal to j. Aij not equal to 0 for some all I equal to j. Identity matrix or unit matrix. Diagonal matrix with one on main diagonal, one matrix. Null matrix. All elements in the matrix are 0. Triangular matrix. A square matrix whose element above or below the main diagonal are 0. Upper triangular matrix. A square matrix whose element below the main diagonal are all 0. Lower triangular matrix. A square matrix whose element above the main diagonal are all 0. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix whose main diagonal element are equal to the same scale. A scale is defined as single number of constant.